Are you aspiring to be an entrepreneur but feel overwhelmed? You're not alone. Many people have ambitions but struggle to build a business from scratch. In this video, we'll provide you with a practical roadmap to becoming an entrepreneur. First, let's outline the paths to entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur takes risks to create valuable products or services and aims to profit. Typically, these paths fall into three categories. The first path is selling your skills. If you lack money, time can be your investment. Focus on skills that the market values. You don't need a groundbreaking idea. Simply find ways to enhance what's already available. For instance, learning sales techniques is essential. There are plenty of free resources available to help you get started. The second path involves improving existing products. For example, Apple didn't invent the computer, it improved usability. The third path is the problem-solution model. Identify widespread problems and create solutions people are willing to pay for. Utilize AI to analyze issues and suggest business ideas. Always verify any information through your research. Now, let's talk about building a robust skill set. Entrepreneurship isn't about a single big idea, it's about developing multiple skills. Essential skills to focus on include marketing and sales, operations, accounting, finance, tax management, and soft skills like communication. Next, mapping your market is vital. Decide between B2B, business to business, or B2C, business to consumer, models depending on your identified problem. Calculate your market size starting from the total addressable market, TAM, down to the serviceable obtainable market, SOM. Estimating startup costs is crucial. These costs include both fixed and one-time expenses. Consider maintaining a financial buffer of 6 to 12 months of fixed costs to avoid early challenges. Turning your idea into a concrete business plan is next. A simple template can guide you through detailing your project. This plan serves as a reference to keep your goals aligned. Before launching, conduct a SWOT analysis to evaluate your project's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This will tailor your approach to market needs. Start with a pre-launch phase for testing and feedback from select customers. Mastering cash flow is essential. Focus on operating cash flow, which shows the actual cash generated. This can be calculated using your net income and adjustments for depreciation and working capital. Next, set up a management control system to track key performance indicators, KPIs. Having the right numbers in front of you helps make informed decisions. Now, let's discuss growth. Scale your business by focusing on three levers: building a strong team, expanding your customer base, and improving profit margins. Each of these areas has specific strategies and measurements you can apply. Lastly, surround yourself with the right environment to accelerate growth. A mentor is a powerful asset, guiding you based on their experience. Networking with like-minded individuals creates a supportive community that fosters growth. Remember, the journey of entrepreneurship has its ups and downs. If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind and build something meaningful, follow these steps and stay persistent. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like it. Let us know your current journey in the comments below. Thank you for watching.